So this is the miniverse miniature cafe foods. I've never done these before, so I wanted to try them because I really like making miniature stuff, and it's supposed to be miniature foods with little resin packs you can use with it. So let's see what's inside. Blind bags, so of course you don't know what you're getting. So this one is a cake packet. It looks like the little sugar topping things in the packet. And let's see. This is, it comes with instructions. A little baking mat. Let's see. This is the tray. You're gonna watch me just pop this tray off in a second. I bet. Pausing for a second so I can go grab that. All right, this is the glaze. This is the resin part of it. And then you'll get a little booklet in them that has all the foods, and on the back of each one is the instruction card. So you can see me looking to see which one I've gotten. And they are nice and have little perforations on them, so I was able to just tear that one off. So I didn't get to be confused with the other ones, but they're very simple, so it tells you what you should get and what to do with them. Alright, so this isn't the best lighting, but this is me setting out the little cakes and using the resin glaze. So you kind of squeeze it. I really wasn't sure how much to put. I had done one before this, and it was really hard to get the resin out. This one was very easy to get the resin out, so I guess it's right now I'm 50-50. I can't say which way these things go for sure. But this one was very easy to get out, and I definitely enjoyed the little squeeze cap that came with it. And then, of course, I added a little bit more to each one because I still had plenty of resin, and I kind of wanted it to go over the edges since it is supposed to be a glaze. And this one was not messy. I made a mess with the first one, so this one was much easier to use. All right, and then it comes with a pair of little tongs that you can use to get the sugar packets out. I say sugar packets, sorry, like they're meant to be like the sugar frosting design things. And just push them on. I was afraid of getting everything sticky, but once it seems pretty fine. So once I got it on, I just pushed it down to kind of let the resin go over the edge, so it could be kind of more glaze-like. And it actually did come with more sugar pieces than cakes, which I guess, that way you can kind of add more on one if you want, or if you want a certain design more. So I tried to do just 2 of each design that came in it, since there was 2 different flower designs, well, 3 different, and then the roses, but the roses are obviously a little bit bigger, and I don't know, I guess they take up more space than the other ones is what I'm trying to say, but I just wanted to put 1 on each one, so I did 2 of each. And I bought a very tiny UV nail light from Five Below, because this is UV resin and I'm doing this at nighttime, so I'm just going to slide it in with the slushie I made from earlier and get it cooking.